How's it going, everyone? Today we are here with the new lineup of Starbucks vegan items, round 2 for us.
If you haven't seen part 1, it's up here. It was a couple months ago. This is the new item.
Yeah, everything is new here. This is a completely new line. There is 4 items. There's 2 like dessert items and then 2 sort of like lunch items.
Yeah.
First item we have here is a plant-based hamburger with potato, broccoli, and pasta on the side. This is a new line they're doing called a meal box.
Yeah.
So this is the vegan version of that.
It looks like a microwave frozen dinner. It smells really good though. All right, next we have another sandwich. There was a sandwich in the last video too, but this one looks like to be vegan bologna with some type of sauce, lettuce, and tomatoes. So there's this.
Here, this is the hazelnut brownie that's vegan. I'm really excited to try that out.
It looks so good. The look of it looks like cosmic brownies that little Debbie has, like the thickness. So I'm really excited about that.
Juicy.
And then last but not least is soy milk bread. I have no idea what to expect from this, but it's soy milk bread.
We've never had milk bread. We know it's a big thing over here in Korea.
Yeah.
So we're excited to try a version of that.
Without further ado, let's dig right into this because I am starving. Currently, we are actually in Yosu on vacation. So if you haven't watched that, the video is up here.
Check that out.
And let's get into it.
We're gonna start with this because this was warmed up. This is, again, the plant-based hamburger with broccoli, potato, and pasta. Let's try some of this burger first.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
It's just chilling here with like some sauce, so we'll try some of that out.
Are you supposed to mix the two?
I'm gonna not.
Kinda looks like meatloaf.
It looks like it's separated. Yeah, it kind of does. Here, I'll cut that in half.
Yeah. Oh.
I just want to taste that. It's like,
oh, it smells like meatloaf.
Yeah, it's some kind of like ketchup-y based sauce there. It does kind of look like meatloaf. All right.
Waiting for cheers. All right, let's go.
Cheers.
Cheers. That's so good.
Wow, that's so sweet.
That texture is really good. Smokier than a meatloaf, but it's very similar to meatloaf.
The texture is similar to meatloaf. The taste is really sweet.
It's really sweet. I like that though.
It reminds me of pulled pork. The whole thing in a way is like a little bit sweeter than pulled pork.
Yeah, you're right actually, but pulled pork flavor, but with the texture of like hamburger meat.
Yeah.
I think it's really tasty.
That's very good. I was kind of skeptical when I saw this come out.
It smelled amazing though. Let's try this potato and broccoli. I don't want the broccoli.
All right, you can have the potato. I want this broccoli.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
I'm just one bite it. Wow, that's so dry. I need some sauce.
Yeah.
It's just a boiled potato.
The broccoli like absorbed a lot of this sauce, so it's like not dry at all. Yeah, you got a couple noodles here with something that resembles like a meaty type. It's definitely like some kind of vegan bolognese here.
Yeah, bolognese. Let me get a bite.
I'm gonna save that one.
All right, well this is 2.
Let me get some. I'm gonna get a good amount of sauce too with this.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, go.
Wait, cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my God. I did not expect it to be spicy.
Yeah, it's spicy and very tomatoey. Very nice.
What does that remind me of?
Oh, I gotta get more of that.
It reminds me of like an actually good pasta. What? I'm shook right now.
This is very good. You can. It's definitely a meat-based sauce.
It's like, oh, it tastes like sausage.
You can barely tell it's vegan. This shit is
banging.
I mean, we said a lot of that last time too. Like,
but
they definitely got some shit down with this Starbucks vegan lineup.
To be fair, we never have vegan substitutes. Unless you see it on this channel, that's all we ever have. And, and Burger King in Korea, if you haven't seen that video, it's up here. Burger King in Korea actually got rid of the plant Whopper, so we have nothing really. All right, I got a noodle and some meat. Let's try it. I don't think they really would go together because the noodles are so spicy and tangy, but let's try it.
Maybe it will.
It doesn't add to it.
I think it kind of gives it like a meatball, like spaghetti and meatball type flavor. Oh. But other than that,
man,
I think it's best to leave them separate.
I really actually like that meat patty though.
I think that meat patty is like right where it needs to be. If this was on a burger with like some vegan American cheese.
Oh, some Swiss cheese even.
Yeah. Something to like cut a little bit of the sweetness out and give it some different flavor.
That. I actually think I might like the meat patty more just because it would be more filling in the long term anyway.
We'll finish this and then we'll go on to our next item.
Moving on to the next, we got our cold cut sandwich.
Like Erica was saying, there's lettuce, tomato, and ham in here.
Well, now I think it smells like bologna.
Well, they put ham on the packaging, so I'm not 100% sure.
Well, it's vegan, so it's none of the above.
Yeah, so I don't know what kind of sauce this is. It looks like it's some kind of mustard with mayonnaise here, maybe. So
nope.
No?
No, don't know what that is.
All right, well, let's give it a shot.
Nope. No. Don't love everything from Starbucks. Ugh.
That meat is so like soft.
It's too soft.
It's a little like too soft. And
mush. Ew.
I don't like tomatoes on my laundry.
Ew. I hate that meat. The flavor is bologna. The texture is like a nasty pate.
It's very like so soft.
I'll eat without the meat.
Let me try it here.
I'll eat your tomatoes.
I'll eat your meat.
Here. That's why you should get married. You can swap.
Boom.
Also, that's not even lettuce.
Yeah,
it's like arugula.
The meat is like, it's very wet. It's
horseradish sauce.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or wasabi.
It's not hot enough to be wasabi.
It has that.
I think it's horseradish. Yeah. And I'm hungry though, so I'm gonna eat all this for sure.
Well, this was also expensive. We'll put all the prices on the screen, but it's expensive. Bread is so soggy.
From the sauce.
I wouldn't recommend this unless you really like the flavor of bologna and you don't care about texture.
Yeah. It's never like a great idea to buy a pre-made cold cut sandwich with sauce on it because the bread is instantly soggy.
Yeah.
I wouldn't get this again, but
no. I would 100% choose that.
I'd give this like a 3 out of 10.
Oh, I'd give it a 2. Maybe. I would give that one though, the entree.
Like a 7 or 8.
I'd say 8.5.
Yeah.
I mean, it's really tasty.
It's pretty good for basically a microwave dinner.
Yeah.
You know?
We're out hiking all around Yosu. We're about to go to the beach, so we know we need to eat though.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna shove this down.
Next up, now that we're past that god-awful monstrosity, we are gonna try this soy milk bread. Because this shit has just been calling my name.
I'm so excited. Can I just stab it?
Sure.
I've been wanting to do that this whole time. This seems like a lot of bread. Do people just eat this and that's it?
It's a big old chunk of sweet bread.
Oh!
There's shit in it.
Chickpeas?
I don't think so. Is it?
That's really hard. Maybe they toasted it. They did warm this up.
Yeah, I think they toasted it a little bit. It looks like some kind of nut
red
mixture.
Bean. Yeah. Red bean.
I think it's red bean with some like
Chickpeas?
sliced up. I think those are hazelnuts.
It's so soft though.
They're cooked.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
You ready?
I'm guessing.
I'm just so excited.
Let's try it.
It's so hard and dry.
It is dry.
It's good and it's sweet, but if you watched our last Starbucks one, they had chocolate cake. Oh my god, it was so much better than this.
Way better. I think the chocolate cake will probably be around the same amount of good as this brownie, but the milk bread, I feel like this would be good if you like
had coffee.
If you had coffee and like this was the only thing you got, if you just got one pastry and it was like still hot and toasted and not, because you know you toast something and then you let it sit for a minute and it starts to harden up.
Yeah, it's like I can't even fucking put my fingernail through it, so hard. I mean, it tastes good. The taste is good. It does taste good,
yeah. It's just, it really dries your mouth out.
I would not get it toasted if I were to get it again.
I'm gonna wait to finish my piece till I can get some water.
Some Wawa.
Some Wawa.
The inside is nice and moist. I mean, it's good. It's just really like
it's just drying my mouth out. It is really tasty though.
The part that's supposed to be the wet part is the red bean paste, but that's dry as well. All right, next we have the brownie. Hopefully it's as iconic as the cosmic brownies because those are my favorite fucking thing in the world and I haven't had those in 4 years.
I just want it to taste as good as the cake did in the last video.
Look how soft. But like stodgy and thick, and that's what I love in a brownie.
Oh, that's gonna be so good. It's so moist.
Just like a cosmic, actually better than a cosmic brownie.
Oh, they did something right with this one.
Better than chocolate cake.
I like it better than
You
cake.
don't even need this whole thing.
My sweet tooth is satisfied right there.
But you do need some milk.
Yeah.
Cosmic brownies are amazing because they have those chocolate chip sprinkles on top, which gives it this nice texture. That's exactly what these hazelnuts are doing. Yeah, and it's actually crunchier and there's more. It doesn't really add flavor, but it adds texture, and that's important with a thick ass brownie like this.
Yeah. Nuts on the inside would be kind of better because it's like more evenly dispersed. Yeah. But this is good. It's really good. I mean, I have no real complaints about it at all.
This is right up my alley. This is exactly what I like. All right, that's it for this amazing Starbucks review again. Like I said, we're actually on vacation in Yosu right now, so don't forget to check out those. We're going to Jeju, so those videos will probably be up. If not, they'll be up soon. We hope you enjoyed this. We absolutely love this. Oh my god, these were really good.
These came out at a perfect time because when we go out on vacation and stuff, it can be hard for us to find meals. So we were glad we could stop here real quick in the middle of our day and enjoy a wonderful lunch.
They did only have one of everything, but that's fine. We split everything anyway.
Yeah, it fills us up enough.
Yeah.
If you did enjoy the video, please go down and drop us a like.
Please.
Hit the sub button and turn on notifications to catch our other vlogs coming up right after this.
Leave a comment in the description. It really helps our engagement. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Hello. And if you haven't already, please pet a cat today or pet two cats. Bye-bye.